Weighted scoring is a perfect method, actually the best framework for you if you don't have any prioritization methods and you need to start. Okay, let's do it. First of all, what we need to do, we need to define our example project. Let's take, for example, Uber-like application. So, taxi. As the first step, let's define the parts of our business value. For example, let's take three of them. Number one, we want to get more drivers. We want to have more clients, and we want to increase our retention. So, for example, these three projects are our business focus right now. For example, okay, so we have a business value which is 100 persons, right? So each of these criteria going to have some weight. Okay, for example, for now, for our business, the most important criteria is more drivers. We need to increase it. The second one, more clients. And retention, it's number three, because if we don't have drivers and if we don't have clients, we actually don't need retention. Okay, finally. For now, we have 40, 35, and 25 persons. It is 100% of our business value. Okay. Next, let's take some projects from our possible backlog. For example, let's take interactive map, card payments, card payment to the driver, for example, parcels delivery by the drivers, why not? And the loyalty system. Okay, so for now, we have three criteria. We have 5 backlog items. And what we're gonna do next? We should define our scores. In our example, let's take 1, 2, and 3, which means 1 is no effect, or it is, but really small. Number 2 is possible, so we have the effect, but we can't, for example, calculate it enough. And number 3 is our great success, of course. Okay, so for now we have our score system. Then we're going to score the effect of each our backlog item to the criterion. Okay, let's do it. Interactive map, more drivers, number 1. It's a client-driven feature. More clients, 2. It is something from our MLP. Retention is also 2. It's good for user experience. So next, card payments. More drivers we will set to 1. More clients we will set to 3, because it's good for clients if you pay not only by cash, right? Retention set to 3, 2, because it's important. Okay, next, card payment to the driver, so more drivers is 3, it is very important for them. Let's set more clients to 2. It is a feature oriented to drivers, but if we have more drivers, we probably have more clients. Next one, retention. Okay, I guess the same. Let's set it to. Okay, next, parcels delivery by the driver. More drivers, I guess 2, because maybe someone doesn't like to drive human. Maybe he wants to drive parcels and it's enough. Okay, more clients, set to 3. It's great success. I want to send my parcels to my friends. And the next, retention, let's set to 3, 2. Don't stop. Loyalty system, more drivers, 1. More clients, 2. And retention, 3. The main focus for this feature is retention, so it's fine. Okay, what we're gonna do next? After that, we need to add a custom properties. So for now, we have 3 criteria, right? Which presents the focus for our business, the full business value. But we can have custom criteria. For example, project size. It could be important for business, for example, if our customers want to deliver something faster, we can give them this ability, right? But for now, we have project size is criteria and it should have some weight, right? So let's set it to 10. I guess it should be fine. So for now, more drivers as 40, more clients as 30, retention 20, and project size 10. Okay, It should be enough for our example. Let's go next. Let's talk about project size. We should have scores for the project size, and amount of scores should be the same as for other criteria. So we have 1, 2, 3, and we should have only 1, 2, 3 for project size. For example, let's set one sprint to 1, let's set 2 sprints to 2, and 3 plus sprints to 3. It's fine? Actually, no. What I want to say that sometimes for business could be more important the project which we can deliver faster. So that's why we're gonna change the places 1 and 3. So number 1 we have 3 plus sprints, number 2 2 sprints, and number 3 1 sprint. Okay, it's just our example. So for now we can score our project. Interactive map. Let's set it to 2, for example. It's medium task. Card payments, I guess it should be 1, because it's payments, integration, billing, etc. So, okay, cards payment to the driver, it's 3. For example, in our case, it should be the small front-end task. Parcels delivery by the driver, it's set to 2. For example, it's medium task also. And loyalty system, for example, 3. So it's small task for 1 sprint. Okay, finally, for now we have all the data for score our projects, for get the business value of each project and get the prioritization. What we're gonna do? Let's take interactive map. We take 1 as our score and 40 as our waste. We multiply 1 and 40 plus multiply 2 and 30 for more clients plus multiply 2 and 20 for retention and multiply 2 and 10 as our project size. And as a result, we have 160. And we do the same for each our project. For card payments, we have 200. For card payment to the driver, we have 250. For parcels delivery by the driver, we have the same, 250. And for loyalty system, we have 190. Okay. So for now, if we're gonna sort it, we will see that for our business, card payment to the driver and parcels delivery by the driver are the most important tasks. After we have card payments, after loyalty system, and the last one, interactive map. The one most important thing I want to share with you, you need to make it with the stakeholders, with customers, with product managers, with some analytics from business units, as small as possible. Please don't do it yourself and don't show the results to product managers. It shouldn't be good. The second thing, it is not defined, you can change the ways, you can change the scores, you can change anything, and you can use it for any types of tasks in your backlog. Okay, and I guess you have one question. Why do you do it in Mira? So actually, just for showing, for presenting to you. Actually, I have 2 versions for you, one in Google Sheets and one in Microsoft Office. You can take it, you can download it, you can copy anything what you need. There are a few more prioritization methods. Maybe I would like to show it, but for now, I guess it was everything what I wanted to show you. Please subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of things which I want to show, and keep safe. See you.